Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you can sell for the highest price on your investment? Hi, I'm JoAnna Kraft with Keller Williams, Montana Realty. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. Right now, when you walk up to your home, does it have fresh curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark or fresh flowers? How about the plants or trees? Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? What about the exterior of your home itself? Could it use new trim? Does the front door need a touch-up or possibly even a new paint job? Remember, this is literally the first impression a buyer is going to have when they enter your home. You need to hire someone that is going to be honest with you and maybe hurt your feelings on what you can do to help improve your investment. Second, have you done the 3 Ds? Decluttered, depersonalized, and deep clean. And I mean real deep cleaning, including baseboards, scuff marks, cleaned up the changed out old light bulbs, and more. Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes? Hey, brick red walls with mismatched paint does not quantify selling for top dollar, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean, or are they 10 years old and have been cleaned 15 times, and once it rains or people walk over them a few times? Well, the truth comes out. This isn't going to cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are the cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the 1.5 acre lot that is up the street? You see, all these matter. Third, and this is a big one, the smell test. Oh my God, I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know, it sounds gross, but it's true. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you are used to, but if someone else came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks that I have the best home on the block. Listen, I know Granny and I spent 5 weeks putting the old white tiles in with brown grout. It's memorable, but is it measuring up to your competition? Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better back at grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. So I challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house on the market right now and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes. P.S. Most of us have to make changes. If I were to sell my house, I'd have a honey-do list for days. Call me and I'll advise you.